Hi guys, if wireless display install failed issue you are facing in Windows 11 computer, then here is how to fix. It's very easy. What you have to do, you have to just click on start button and then click on settings, and now click on network and internet from the left menu, and in the right side just below your network, whether it's Wi-Fi or Ethernet, just below your network there will be properties. Just click on properties, and now just locate metered connection. Just turn off the metered connection, and now try again and your problem will be fixed. If this does not get fixed, what you can do, you can try using a different internet connection. Just create a hotspot on your mobile phone and try to connect your PC to this newly created hotspot, and then using this different internet connection, try again and check whether your problem has been fixed or not. If this issue is not sorted yet, let's try the third method, and that is just search command prompt and click on run as administrator. Click on yes, and now what you have to do, you have to run this command. Just copy and paste this command in the command prompt and hit enter. I have given this command in the description of this video. Directly copy this command from there and run this in the command prompt, and your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. Please do like the video to support us, and thanks for watching.